Disclaimer: this channel do not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Have you ever wanted an Electron-based terminal emulator that runs on all major OS like Linux, Windows, Mac? Today in this video we are going to take a look on eDEX-UI, which was basically designed for large touchscreen display and was inspired from science fiction movies.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Devil Bot. Let's begin with the video.
You're a superhero.
The link for downloading this terminal is given in the description below. Here are some of the features of this terminal. These are the screenshots of the interface of terminal. And there is a lot of more information which you can check out by yourself. Now click here to download it for Windows. If you want to download for any other OS, you can download it also from here like Linux. It has been started downloading successfully. I will install it so then you can subscribe to the channel. I have installed this terminal successfully.
Dried out tears of sorrow.
I have created its icon on desktop, and it looks like this, and now I will open it. This terminal also adds some sound features. Ignore the sound in the background. I will show you some commands by which you can open and operate your directory. Here I will open this folder named response by typing cd phones. Google. This option will show you the shortcut of this terminal you can change it to. Here this is the main setting of this terminal. Here you can change the app address, DNS, theme and many more.